That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Wow. Campbell's chopped Soupy. Campbell's chopped Soupy, 1968. Come on, it's funny. And I gotta say, let's just take a look. That actually looks really good. Look at the sauce. I was a little worried. I did not level the cornstarch, so just be aware of that. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and half a cup of water. I really wanted to know what this tastes like because it's so simple. And don't get on my case, we didn't velvet the meat. There was no garlic, no ginger, just Campbell's and soy sauce. We did simmer for 20 minutes. That gave me a little hope that maybe the meat wouldn't be too tough. Let's try a piece of meat with some very nice Campbell's gravy. It's tough, but the flavor is very pleasant. I am impressed by how it looks, and I knew that we were going to overcook the veggies, simmering for 20 minutes. Let's try celery. Still got a little crunch. Let's try a green pepper. Nice and soft. Both have good flavor. You know, there's no real Chinese flavor, but I think it's a very nice brown gravy. Let's try another piece of meat with this. Now, it said to use round. I got bottom round. It was cheap. Meat's expensive. I almost got skirt steak and it was like, I think $18. Come on. That's not too... That's a little tender. I'm not good with rice and chopsticks. Here's my Korean spoon. Let's try some sauce and rice. Huh. Man, if you sauteed some garlic and ginger in this, I think it would be delicious. Actually, I think this is very tasty. 1960. Can you see these guys sitting around an office coming up with chopped soupy? That's funny. Huh. I don't think it needs any sodium. The original recipe is in the description. 1 can of Campbell's, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Huh! I think this is fun. I think this is a fun, easy meal. We've got plenty of leftovers. Well, I'm pretty happy. This makes me happy. I really thought I would be disappointed. Nice and glossy. This was fun. Oh, thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thank you, Korean spoon.